So are you custom making these units?
All my shelves, I don't pre-build and fabricate anything. So if we do business, I will order your shelf from one of my factories. They will build it to the specifications of your project and what you want. And it takes a little bit of time. I'm not somebody that can, I've got it in the warehouse here. I'll ship it out this afternoon. It takes
Right.
2, maybe 3 weeks to fabricate that shell, but it's done to my specifications. I can get virtually any shell in the market. This is true. I can. So if you're looking around and you see this tub, Ella's Bubbles or this or that or whatever, Billy Bob's walk-in, it doesn't make any difference. If you share with me what that shell is, first of all, I can give you an honest assessment of that shell in terms of quality and performance, but I can also source that shell for you. It's going to be the same price to me as it is to them. I may be able to save you a little bit, but you would only be doing that primarily for budget. If there was some reason that my shells were just out of your budget, then we could look to other potential less expensive product and solutions, but you're going to be aware of that. You're going to be the one making that decision.